Welcome to OLD World Coins PK. Stop everything right now. Because what I'm about to tell you could turn a forgotten dollar coin into big money, real hidden treasure, and maybe even life-changing value. Imagine this. A small silver-colored dollar coin. Most people hate it. Most people ignore it. Some people even spend it like loose change. But what if I told you that this exact coin has sold for thousands of dollars, and in rare cases, shocked collectors at auctions? Stay with me. Because today we are talking about the Anthony $1 coin from 1979 with the S mint mark, and this story is full of surprises. This coin was never loved. When it first came out, people confused it with a quarter. Vending machines rejected it. Banks sent them back. Millions were pushed into storage and forgotten. And that is how hidden treasure is born. When nobody pays attention, rare things slip through unnoticed. Most people think all these coins are the same. They are not. Two coins can look exactly alike. Same year. Same design. Same mint mark. But one is worth almost nothing. The other can be worth big money. And the difference is so small that most people never see it. This is why collectors who know the truth are quietly winning. Now let me tell you the story behind this coin. The United States Mint wanted a modern dollar coin. They wanted something smaller than the old heavy dollar. They wanted something useful. So they chose Susan B. Anthony. A strong woman. A powerful symbol. A historic figure. The design was approved. The coin was made. And then, everything went wrong. The public rejected it. People said it looked too much like a quarter. Stores did not want it. The coin became a failure almost overnight. But inside that failure was a mistake. And mistakes are where big money lives. Some of these coins were made as proof coins in San Francisco. Proof coins are special. They are made for collectors. They have shiny mirror surfaces. Sharp details. Clean edges. And this is where things get shocking. The 1979 S. Anthony dollar has two different mint mark styles. Most people don't know this. Most people never check. One style is common. The other is rare. And the rare one is the key to hidden treasure. Now I want you to imagine holding this coin in your hand. Look at the front. You see Susan B. Anthony's face. Near her shoulder, you see a small letter S. That S is everything. The common one looks soft. The edges are rounded. It almost looks like a blob. This is called the type 1. This one is everywhere. It is not rare. It is not big money. Now listen closely. The rare one has a sharp S. Clean lines. Clear edges. It looks strong and clear, not blurry. This is called the Type 2 Clear S. And this tiny detail has changed lives. When collectors finally realized this difference, it was too late. Thousands of these coins were already sold. Many were spent. Some were damaged. Only a small number survived in perfect condition. And that is why prices exploded. Here is where it gets exciting. A normal proof Anthony dollar might sell for $10. Maybe $15. But the 1979 S Type 2 Clear S. In lower condition, it can sell for hundreds. In high condition, thousands. Some perfect examples have sold for $3,000, $4,000, even more. All from one small letter. This is real. This is not a rumor. These are real auction sales. Collectors fought over these coins. Bidding went crazy. Prices climbed fast, and many people watching had no idea they owned one. This is what makes coin collecting powerful. You are not guessing. You are learning. Now let's slow down and make this very easy to understand. If you have this coin, here is what you do. First, make sure it is a proof coin. Proof coins are very shiny. The background looks like a mirror. The design looks frosted. Second, find the S mint mark. No S means it is not the one. Third, look very closely at the S. Use a magnifier if you can. If the S looks soft and rounded, it is common. If the S looks sharp and clean, you might have big money. Now let me tell you something important. Condition matters. A scratched coin is worth much less. A clean coin is worth much more. Do not clean it. Do not rub it. Do not polish it. Cleaning can destroy life-changing value in seconds. Collectors want original surfaces. Now here comes another shock. Even if you do not have the clear S, errors can still mean money. Some of these coins were struck off-center. Some were struck twice. Some were missing metal on the edge. These errors can be worth hundreds or thousands. Proof coins with strong black and white contrast, called cameo, can also bring more money. And yes, some of these have sold at major auctions. That is how we know this is real. This is not a dream. This is not hype. This is documented history. Now let me reset your attention. Most people never check their proof sets. They sit in boxes. They sit in drawers. They sit in closets for decades. Inside those boxes could be hidden treasure. This is why knowledge is power. I have seen collectors open old sets and freeze. Their hands shake. Their heart races. Because they see a sharp S. And suddenly, that forgotten coin becomes big money. This is why I do what I do. Because the next life-changing coin could be in your home. Now listen carefully. There are fake coins. There are altered coins. Some people try to change the S. This is why grading is important. If you think you have one, send it to a professional grading service. They will confirm it. They will protect it. They will increase trust and value. Do not rush. Do it the right way. Now let me ask you something. Do you have old proof sets? Did your parents or grandparents collect coins? Do you have a box you never opened? Because treasures do not glow. They do not make noise. They wait. Quietly. And they reward those who learn. This Anthony dollar coin taught the coin world a lesson. Never judge a coin by popularity. Never ignore small details. Never assume you know everything. Big money hides where nobody looks. This is not just about coins. This is about awareness. And once you see it, you can never unsee it. So tonight, check your coins. Check them slowly. Check them carefully. Because life-changing value does not knock twice. If this video helped you, subscribe to OLD World Coins PK. Like the video. Share it with a friend. And tell me in the comments. Are you checking your coins tonight? Because the next video might reveal another coin worth big money. And I don't want you to miss it.